In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Google Sheets. If you've ever typed a long note, address, or label and watched it spill over into the next cell or get cut off, text wrapping is the clean, professional fix. It keeps everything visible inside the cell without stretching your columns too wide, making your sheet easier to read on screen and on printouts. Start by opening your Google Sheet. You can follow along with any spreadsheet you have. Click the cell that contains the long text you want to tidy up. If you want the same setting for several cells, drag to select a range or select an entire column or row before you continue. Wrapping applies only to what you've selected, so choosing the right cells up front saves time. Now look up to the toolbar. Find the text wrapping button. The icon looks like lines of text with a curved arrow. Click it to open the wrapping options. You'll see three choices: Overflow, Wrap, and Clip. Choose Wrap. The change is immediate. Your text will break onto new lines inside the cell, and the row height usually expands automatically, so all the content is visible. If you later adjust the column width, the text reflows to fit, keeping everything neat without extra effort. A quick note on what those options mean, so you know you've picked the right one. Overflow lets text continue into neighboring cells, but only if they're empty. Clip cuts off anything that doesn't fit the column. Wrap, the one we used, keeps the full content visible by stacking it on multiple lines within the same cell. A couple of helpful tips as you work. Wrapping is great for headers with long labels, multi-line notes, or addresses that would otherwise require very wide columns. If you know a section will need wrapping, it's smart to set it on the whole range first, then start typing or pasting. New content will follow the wrapping rule automatically. Changing your mind is easy too. Just return to the same text wrapping button and pick a different option. And if you ever select too many cells by accident, undo works instantly. That's all it takes. Open your sheet, select the cell or range you care about, click text wrapping, and choose wrap. With just that, your spreadsheet becomes cleaner, more readable, and much easier to share. Thanks for watching, and happy formatting.